Alright, so this is just to explain that there's a unit on the compressor that actually distributes or supplies the air that the air compressor of the air suspension system is supplying to the front right, front left, front right, rear left. Okay, but it means that that unit that is controlled by the suspension system module has an issue. So the left side of the air suspension works perfectly well. So you can see that my surgical growth has been well inflated due to the air supply from the compressor. So when the compressor kicks in, the air supply should immediately inflate the surgical growth. So it means that we need to change the unit directly mounted in the compressor. It looks like a distributor unit that supplies it. So that is what is called. We tested from the other side, it couldn't inflate the surgical growth. But from this side, we inflated. So it means that one side or one part of the distributor unit on the air suspension system is faulty. So you don't have equal air supply or air going to the air suspension. So that is the issue why you have suspension issues for the air suspension system. So this is what we want you to know, and yeah.
View.